Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale cybersecurity with Sumo Logic easy tutorial step by step clearly. Let's dive into the first step. Begin by signing up for a Sumo Logic account if you don't already have one. Once you're logged in, access the main dashboard. Next, navigate to the Data section on the left sidebar. Click on Add Data to start configuring your data sources. Choose the relevant data sources you want to monitor, such as AWS, Azure. Follow the prompts to connect these data sources to Sumo Logic. Once connected, ensure data is flowing correctly by checking the status indicators. Proceed to the App Catalog in the dashboard to find cybersecurity apps. Search for and select applications that align with your security needs, like threat detection or compliance monitoring. Install the chosen apps by following the on-screen instructions. After installation, access the app dashboard to view real-time security data. Monitor alerts and insights that the apps provide to stay informed about potential threats. Utilize the search feature to dig deeper into specific incidents or anomalies. Set up dashboards to visualize security metrics and trends. Customize these dashboards based on the specific needs of your organization. Enable automated alerts to notify your team of critical incidents in real time. Regularly update your data sources and app configurations to ensure comprehensive monitoring. Finally, review your security posture consistently and adjust strategies as needed. Scaling your cybersecurity with Sumo Logic can significantly enhance your defenses and response capabilities. With these steps, you are well equipped to leverage Sumo Logic for effective cybersecurity management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.